In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your iPhone not charging. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But it can't be charging for a variety of reasons, so we're going to go through them. So as you can see, right now mine is charging with a USB-C. So the first thing I want to go ahead and do is go ahead and check my port, whether it's USB-C or like the previous one. You want to check sure there's nothing blocking it inside, because if there's any like tissue or dust or anything like that, you basically want to try and firstly shake it out. If it doesn't work from shaking it out, you want to get like a very thin, soft, like cotton bud, anything like that, and just try and get it out, but don't go too deep because you don't want to damage the charging port. That's going to cause even more problems. The second reason why it might not be charging is because, you might have any liquid or water around your charger. So make sure it's completely dry. Just let it air dry for a bit. Don't try and dry it yourself because you might pat down some of the electronics. So let it dry itself and then see if that works. If that doesn't work, go ahead and try a different USB-C wire or try and plug your charger into a different wall to see if that works. But yeah, let me know if any of those things help. But if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.